Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find your age group and how you can verify it on Roblox. I don't really mind it. I know a lot of people are mad about the new rule that puts you in certain age groups with other people to talk with, but I think, well, I know it's faulty, a little bit faulty, but I don't mind it because I don't really use voice chat at all. The only time I would use it if I was playing with friends who are in my age group in real life. So I don't really mind, but I know that it is faulty. Like people are able to use other people's pictures and stuff, but we're not going to get into that. To look at it, you're just going to go to more, go to settings, go to account info, and here is where you can find your age group, personal, your age group, and your birthday. Make sure it's verified and stuff. So my age group is 21 plus, but obviously it's going to be different for whoever watches this video according to your age, obviously. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.